Oh hi, welcome back. Let's blur some parts of this image. For example, you want to blur this text, this text, this, and like any text. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop for this. So alright, double click on the background layer after you've dragged an image into Photoshop, for example this, and then click on OK. Afterwards you right click on the image layer again, and then right click on the image layer and then click on duplicate layer, just like so, and then click on OK. So the upper layer is going to be clear, but this layer under the upper layer will be blurred. Let's blur this image. Head over to filter, head over to blur, and then click on Gaussian blur until all of the text is invincible. This is enough. Click on OK. Afterwards, you click on this so that the clearer image layer is visible again. So all we have to do now is to trim the upper layer by, well, click on zoom tool, just like so, and then alright, hold the left click button, head over to polygonal lasso tool, and then just do it just like this. Alright, once you are done, you can smoothen this selected area by holding the Shift and the F6 keys, and then set the feather radius to, let's say, 2 pixels. Oh, we're done now. Let's do some more. Click on Fit Screen and then zoom it in, and then do some zoom ins, that's to say, and then select the areas that you don't want to see. That you want to be blurred. Then you hold the Shift and the F6 keys again, and then you delete this part. Same goes here. Then you can zoom in, and then you select more of the areas that you don't want to see from this image that you want to blur. This will take some time to finish, but the result is going to be amazing, I can tell you, because every text will be blurred. Do it carefully, just like this. Shift and F6 again to smoothen the selected area. Alright, this will be the last, because that's the only visible text that we want to blur. Just like so. And we're done now. Let's blur the last one though, which is this one. We're going to be using a different lasso tool. Hold the left click button, head over to lasso tool, and then select this one. Carefully select the area, and then let's say if you want to do some like stronger blur for the edges of the selected area, Shift F6, and then let's say if you want to do 4. That's not smooth enough. Let's change it into 6, for example. Fair enough. Alright, we're done blurring everything in this image. Now the text is all gone. That's how you can blur some objects that you want to blur, that you don't want to see in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.